Introducing the 2012 Chevrolet Traverse. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Pamper yourself with memory settings. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.